Welcome to Mr. Unicorn Vending. Starting a claw machine business can feel like an uphill battle. Between the fear of rejection, nailing your first location, and making sure everything runs smoothly, it's a lot to take in. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through every step of the journey, from turning a no into a yes, to delivering your first machine, and even building lasting relationships with your locations. I'm here to make the process simple and even a little fun. So whether you're just getting started or looking to sharpen your game, stick around because this is going to be everything you need to crush it in the claw machine business.
Step 1. Overcoming your fear. Let's start with one of the biggest barriers, fear of rejection. How do you overcome it? By turning fear into fun through gamification. Set small, achievable goals. For example, aim to pitch to 5 locations before your first break. Think of each interaction as a side quest. You're not tackling a huge mountain all at once. You're taking it one step at a time. Next, create a points system. Give yourself 5 points for delivering a pitch, 10 for scheduling a follow-up, and 50 for landing a deal. And here's the twist, make rejection part of the game. Aim for a certain number of no's each day because every no gets you closer to a yes. Reframe rejection as progress and suddenly sales don't feel scary. It feels like a game. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your confidence grow. Step 2. Turning a no into a yes. Here's a mindset shift for you. No isn't a dead end. It's just a maybe. Business owners hear pitches all day long. Their automatic response, no, or we don't have the space. But that's just a reflex, not the final word. Instead of walking away, offer a smaller solution. For example, propose a mini claw machine. It's low commitment, takes up minimal space, and lets them see the value firsthand. Once they're happy with the results, upgrading to a full-size machine becomes an easy decision. Remember, no doesn't mean never. It's just the first step towards a yes. Step 3. The yes. Congratulations, you've landed your first location. This is a big moment, so take a deep breath and don't panic. Here's what to do next. First, write down the name of the person who said yes and get a reliable contact number. Next, ask how they'd like to be paid after each collection. It's best to clarify this up front. Also, ask for the Wi-Fi password. Sometimes NIAC systems struggle with connectivity, so having access to a Wi-Fi can save you a lot of hassle. Here's a pro tip. If you're using a locker box, buy a gift card from the business to use as a prize in your claw machine. This isn't about adding a cool prize. It shows the owner that you care about their success. Pay in cash to avoid putting them through the processing fees. I usually go for $25, but choose an amount that works best for you. You've made a great first impression. Now it's time to keep that momentum going. Step 4. Setup. Now it's time to deliver the machine, and being prepared is key. Pack cleaning supplies to make sure the machine looks spotless when it's set up. Don't forget an extension cord. Outlets aren't always conveniently placed. I've linked some reliable ones in the description. Here's a bonus tip. Bring a few small gifts for the staff, like toys or treats. This small gesture brightens their day and makes them remember you as someone who goes the extra mile. A smooth, professional setup sets the tone for a great partnership. Step 5. Post-install. Alright, it's time to customer service the heck out of them. 1 week after installation, follow up with the location owner. Start by asking if everything is running smoothly, if everything's okay. Then, check if they've seen any winners from the machine. Sometimes claw machines are set up too tight, making it almost impossible to win. And let's face it, no winners means no happy players. Here's the key. Winners are players. When people see someone win, it excites them and encourages more people to play. If needed, adjust the claw strength or prize setup to make sure the machine performs well. A quick call and a little extra attention can turn a location owner into your biggest fan, leading to long-term success. So in closing, success in the claw machine business isn't about landing locations. It's about building relationships, staying prepared, and always improving. You've got the tools now, so go get out there, face those fears, and start turning no's into yeses. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment about your biggest takeaway or question. I'd love to hear about your journey. And remember, every step forward is a win. Let's make it happen.